In this series we're talking about square foot gardening, which is really only a raised bed broken down into 1-foot sections so you can keep your plants contained. So when you're laying down your soil in a raised bed or a square foot garden, there are some simple, easy tips that can make it easier. My first tip is, instead of going directly with your compost, if you put a little bit of a layer on the very bottom of your bed of grass clippings and leaves and maybe some wood mulch, it will actually add quite a bit of air to your bed. That way it'll break down over the years into compost and just add a lot of enrichment to your soil. And also your beds will stay very dry in the winter because they have a layer of compost, wood clippings, and airy clippings underneath. After that, I only do 1 or 2 inches of mulch, and then I add my compost on top. Just fill up a wheelbarrow, roll it over to your raised bed or square foot garden, dump it inside, take a rake and even it out, and as long as the soil's about 6 inches tall in your 8-inch tall square foot garden, you're good to go. It's as easy as that. In the next segment, we'll talk about how to make a grid, your 1-foot by 1-foot grid, within your 4-foot by 4-foot square foot garden.